Alright, YouTube family, this is Sub-Zero back in another video just for all of you guys. We're out here with the Afro Samurai Type R. We're back again at Auto Tunes. We're going to be installing the Varis Hood that is already paint matched for my car. Really excited. As you guys know, we have the Varis Side Skirts, we got Mugen parts, and we have a whole bunch of parts. Very soon, I'm going to have to do a full walk around of all the mods I've done on the car. There's a bunch of new stuff that I'm also going to be putting on the car very soon, so stay tuned for that video. We have a lot of exciting stuff coming out. If you guys like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Like we got here, we have the hood right here, and it is already perfectly paint matte, which is perfect. It is already perfectly paint matched, guys. Look at that. Oh man, yeah, that looks good, man. It's already paint and everything. That makes life so much easier.
Oh, yeah.
Like, look at that, guys. Dang. Oh yeah, it's already paint matched and everything. I also like how he did the top part black and then black. I like how he did that.
Yeah.
It'll really go well with the black I have. That's what I said with all the different
perfect.
black I have.
That's why, like I said, when you said it to me, I said, it's perfect.
It's literally, guys, this is literally perfect. Like all the different black and, man. One more time, guys, shout out to Auto Tuned. Always doing an amazing job, guys. Go, please, if you guys are anywhere in the whole West Coast, whether it's California, Oregon, Nevada, Washington, Arizona, New Mexico, anywhere, even Texas, wherever you guys are at, go to Auto Tune. They will take care of your car. They have literally been building this Type R of mine already all month, but here is the hood. Look at the hood. Got some better lighting now. Dang, look at that. Look at this. Dang, this looks so good, y'all. Like, so good, man. We got the hood. Like I said, it's already paint matched. Look at that. Gonna do a whole bunch of new mods. We got some carbon fiber engine bay mods that we do have to do on the car. We also got some carbon fiber interior mods that we're gonna do in the car. I'm gonna also go ahead and give you guys a full walk around, like I was saying before, of the entire car. But definitely check out the wheels and the whips at Auto Tune. Super clean. Always a car show over here. Always a car show over here. Dang, look at this color. Damn, that color is beautiful. But anyway, like I said, we have some APR carbon fiber pieces we're going to be putting on in the next video. We also got some interior carbon fiber pieces that's going on the interior part of the car very soon. But let's get back to installing this Varis hood. The point is, this is actually paint matched right here. So this isn't a wrap, it's actually paint matched. So there won't be any like peeling right here. It's even paint matched all the way inside there. Looks super clean, super nice. You guys can see the vents right there. The intake gonna go right there. We even got the holes right here for the air to seep out underneath and out exterior wise too, to have it seep out the sides and the front hood. It's gonna definitely help out much better than this. This is actually a fake vent. It's fake basically, and there's no ventilation on the underneath part as well. So this is why it gets a lot of heat in the engine bay right here. So getting a hood like this is gonna definitely help out with the air that's going to be traveling inside of the engine bay to go out, as well as the aerodynamics and the flow of the car. So that's going to really help. But I have to say, I love the way the 10th gen looks. I know a lot of people do not like the rear, but I think adding the Mugen rear with making it black just kind of makes it look not as bad with the fake vents. I think just the newer part right there with the Mugen and doing the black does a good job of kind of cleaning up the rear and making it look really nice. I'm gonna definitely have to get a big APR wing at some point to really turn this to a track car and do suspension. But until then, I have to say, the car is really looking good. Just a little different. just a little bit.
This is so much lighter
than the other one.
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. y'all. So we're getting the hood on. Now we gotta do the wipers and the washer fluid and put that stuff on the hood. But man, look at this. The black really is gonna match really well with the car, with all the black accents on the car. Man, that's I really think the front is gonna look really aggressive now, especially with so much air. We got the grille, so much more air is gonna be going in through there now, because the OEM one was really small. This is really big as far as air, and then we'll have more air going out. So there's definitely gonna be much better airflow going through the car. And damn, shout out to Afro Samurai. That, sheesh, that looks so good. Came out really good. A lot of people actually have been singing on the street and hitting me up about it. So definitely, if you guys see the car, definitely come say hi, come stop by, and let's talk about the car, man. Yeah, it's gotta go to the right, yeah. All right, guys, it's the fitment game. You gotta go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. One time, guys, shout out to AutoTune for always hooking it up. Always doing an amazing job, and man, just making the process so easy. If you want people that not only do a great job, they're just great people that will definitely take care of your cars. Definitely, guys, go and check out AutoTune for anything, any type of car you guys got, they can do it. Hey, check out the pants and the kickstone. Hey, dang, look at this, man. Dang. Oh, it's perfect. Oh, it fits perfect. Oh, the Type R, guys. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Black accents. Oh, with the gray and the black. Dang. Oh, man. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, look at that. Dang. Dang, look at this. Oh, I'm so hyped. Oh, I'm so hyped. Like I said, guys, this is the first time I've gotten Varis parts for a car, and I'm a Varis boy, guys. I'm a Varis boy. Oh, look at, dang, it's crazy like what a hood can do to like change the look of the front. Dang, like that's just the black, just everything about the front now, like it goes, man. Dang. Now I gotta come back to AutoTune and get, what do you guys, the over fenders someday? Come back, get the over fenders. Got a whole bunch of stuff. Gotta get the suspension. Guys, still got to get that RSR suspension stuff, but we're getting there, guys. We are definitely getting there. Man, like look at this, guys. Like, man, we did it, man. I just gotta say, I appreciate all of you guys for watching, for supporting the channel. Every click, every like, every comment, every view, every subscription definitely goes a long way. And hopefully this content just keeps being what you guys want. In the comments below, keep letting me know what you guys are looking for the channel, what you want to see with the Type R, what you guys want to see with the Corvette, and just overall the full channel, guys. All right, y'all, and we are back. Man, got so many things to update you guys on, but just wanted to say thank you again. Man, love this hood. Starting to really love this car. So anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, go follow and hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day. Be safe, y'all. Peace.